Why does top oven element not come on when bottom element is on when baking? Stove is a model C8806373190.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXXX I look forward to helping you. On some ranges, the top element will come on initially to preheat the oven, then will not cycle on again during baking. Some ovens use only the bake element only, never turning the upper broil element on during baking. This is totally normal and is by design. After preheating, the upper broil element is not used to maintain the baking temperature. Only the lower bake element is cycled on and off to maintain heat. Your oven is working normally as it should and does not require service. Please let me know if you have any questions or need clarification. Rating my answer OK service or better is the only way I receive credit for helping you. If you need additional help or clarification, please let me know before rating my answer. I will work to earn your highest rating. You may refer back to this question for as long as necessary after rating, at no additional charge, until your problem is resolved. Bonuses are not mandatory but are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
We are quite sure the broil element was coming on before, as it is required to brown such things as biscuits, pies, etc.
I am unfamiliar with any oven that cycles the broil element to maintain baking temperature. I will opt out and allow other techs to respond. Perhaps one of them are familiar with that style.
We have had the range for 18 years and are quite sure the broil element has always come on when baking. Have checked with another owner who states their broiler element does likewise. We'll rate our experience when we receive a solution to our question. Thank you.
I understand. If you select broil only, does the element come on?
Yes.
So that means the element and wiring is good, that would only leave the control. I am still going to opt out as this is one I cannot locate parts information on. I do however suspect the control is at fault if you are certain that the broil element cycled during the bake cycle. I am just not familiar with that style, I am sorry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.